Hey guys, welcome back to your best lesson. So today's lesson we'll be going through No Turning Back. This is a very nice praise song, so I'll be teaching you some few bass lines to attach to this praise song progression. Master them, and when you meet any song out there, you can try to implement what you learned on this song to any other praise song. Okay, if you're also new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe, like the video, and share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass. Let's begin with the tutorial. So the song was played on key E flat. So now let's start with the chord progression. Come on. So the progression goes like this: 1, 1 to your 6, 6, 6. The same 1. You just repeat that. 1, then to your 6 again. 6, 6, 6, 6. I have decided. Then you come to the 1. Okay. So let me teach you this bass line. So I have decided to fall. Okay, so 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1. Then now you're going to the 6. So you have your 2 in front of your 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 6. Then 3, 6, 6. Then you come back to the 1. Then 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1. No turning back. No turning. Dum, 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 dum. But note that the last 6 you can also play on the 4. So let me show you. Go. So the dum 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 dum. Some people are doing on the 6. That's the original. To spice it up, you can do 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So you can do on the 4, you can do on the 6. That is the last one. So now let me teach you what I played here. 1, 5, 1. Then you slide all the way to your 3. Then 1, 2, 2. Then you come back to the 1 again and you do the same thing. So now you're going to the 6. So you don't do 2, 2 at the second line. So when you do, then you do, that is 2, 1, 6, 6, 3, 6. 2, 1, 6, 6, 3, 6. Then you do 1, 6, 7. Then you come to the 6 again. 3, 6, 1, 6. So now you not do at the second line. So you do 1, 6, 6, 5, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2. Then just like that. Then you end on, I think you end on a 6/6. Okay. So I was just using a triad. So it is two ways. So the first one, 1 1 3 5, 1 1 3 5. Now you go to the 6 6 6 1 3 triad. 6 6 1 3 to the 1 1 1 3 5, 1 1 3 5. Then you can bring in some passing notes. 2 3 6 6 1 3 6 6 1 3. Then if you want to groove on this, no turning back. So the second one was, you start from the 5, then you play the triad. 5 5 1 1 3 5 5 5 1 1 3 5 6 6 6 6 1 3 6 6 6 6 1 3 to the 1 again. 5 5 1 1 3 5 5 5 1 1 3 5 6 6 6 6 1 3. No turning. 4 4 4 4 4. So you can bring in some cool lines. I have the 1 1 5 6 1 2 1 to your 6. I have 2 3 6. Da, 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 da. Ba, 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 da, da. You can bring this in. 2 1 7 1 1. Da, da. No turning back to your 4. So you can add the short lick. 1 7 6 5 4 4 4 4. It's already too late. It won't make sense. It's already too late. I've already come too far. It's already too late. So you can do it this way. 1 1 3 1. Go. 1 1 3 1 to your 6. 2 3 6 6 1 6. Again. 6 6 1 6. Then you come back to the 1 1 1 3 1 1 1 3 1 2 3 6 6 1 6. No turning back. So you can also add up this one. So let me just teach you that. 1 1 3 1 4 5 5 5 1 1 3 1. Into your 6 5 6 6 6 6 6 1 6. Then you do it again. 5 6 6 6 6 6 1 6. Then to your 1. Just like that. So you can also apply that. So you can just groove with all of this bass line. Just focus on the progression. And you can also add the 4 to the last part. Okay. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.